present, the system is for this new energy automobile tires as well as some of our special rubbers such as Buddha, rubber green, butyl rubber. What is the effectiveness of the application in this regard?
This equipment actually has a very special advantage for the mixing of floating rubber.
Mr. Chen, how are you? We see that this year at CHINAPLAS 2025, Dalian second pixel machinery Continental is debuting this tweezer-type constant temperature rubber mixing system for dense chain machines. So I'd like to ask how this rubber mixing system is optimized to achieve constant temperature control by means of a structural optimization or an optimization of the intelligent algorithm.
The thermostatic glue system of the dense chain machine is one of the important components of the rubber industry. It mainly controls the temperature of the mixing process by controlling the temperature in the mixing process to realize the whole constant temperature control. It mainly consists of the dense chain machine body, the dense chain device, and the drill mixer. Drill mixing, the second advantage of the room, consists of its temperature control system, temperature control unit, and our control system and auxiliary facilities. In the temperature control system, we adopt a multi-stage temperature control system, for example. It adopts different algorithms in the whole system, including the rotor speed, the pressure of the upper bottom acid, the temperature of the cooling water, the temperature of the cooling water, and the temperature of the cooling water, as cooling water temperature and flow rate. Auxiliary and heat balance calculation algorithms to realize the overall constant temperature chain glue a control way.
What are the technical advantages of our system compared to other similar products in terms of efficiency improvement?
Our overall temperature unit, the first one is the flow control. The second is a new type of nanofluid. The third is in a temperature acquisition. There is a predetermined algorithm in which, for example, through the different nanofluids to achieve energy saving in terms of energy loss of 15 to 30%, in addition to the overall efficiency of the mixing chain, has also been greatly improved.
At present, the system is for this new energy automobile tires and some of our special rubbers such as Buddha, rubber green, butyl rubber. What is the effectiveness of this application?
This equipment is actually for a floating rubber mixing chain, has its special advantages, in which the first is floating rubber. We know that its chain rubber process will produce a lot of heat itself bonding type rotor. And through the drilling of the mixing chain type way to enhance the overall mixing efficiency of the second is that the floating element in the floating rubber will produce a different iron sickle with the glass will corrode the whole equipment body, so that we adopt a bone-based alloy in this equipment and serve the mirror polishing treatment process. The first one is to solve the corrosion of the equipment by the floating rubber. The second one is solve the floating rubber on the equipment adhesion of a problem.
Well, thank you, Mr. Chen, for sharing with us. If you want to know more about this tweezer's close chain machine thermostat control system of Dalian Second Pixel, please come to Dalian Second Pixel's booth to learn more.